So, hey guys, my name is Harshvardhan Singh and I'm your anchor for this YouTube channel. So, I was like, what should be the first introductory video that I should make on this channel? So, the first thing that clicked my mind was like the basics, that is self belief. If you don't have that self belief onto yourself, you just can't achieve anything out there. Firstly, let me tell you what is self belief. Self belief is like self and belief, comprises of two words, self and belief. Self as in you, belief that you got to believe in yourself, that you got to believe in your own soul that I can do a particular piece of work, like say this work, say that work. I could easily do it. You don't need any external motivation, you don't need any other sort of things. So let's jump into the video. Have an optimistic mindset. Now, what do you mean by an optimistic mindset? Optimistic mindset is like looking things in a more brighter side, looking things in a positive manner. Okay, let me give you a situation. Say you are in a batch of 100 people out there and you have to perform a task, you're given a task, and that task is out of your comfort zone. You got to be out of that comfort zone. Now, out of that crowd of 100 people, only 20% of the people take the initiative. That is, only 20 people take the initiative. It is a proven fact. Say if you are among that initiatives group, that is, you are a part of that 20 people, that because 20% of 100 is 20, you are a part of that 20 people. A positive mindset is like you have already defeated 80% of the people. You have already defeated 80% of the people without anything. You have just taken the initiative and defeated 80% of the people. You just got to compete with the rest 19 people out there. This is a positive mindset, and the situation that I just told you is a perfect example of optimistic mindset. This helps you provide yourself more values that okay, if I can't defeat these 100 people, I can actually defeat these 19 people, because 80% of the people, that is 80 people, are already defeated by me. They are already defeated and I just don't need to look at them anymore. Art of receiving feedback. Now, what do you mean by this statement? Art of receiving feedbacks. That is, you got to receive feedbacks from each and every person on the basis of the works that you do every day. Be it your parents, be it your colleagues, be it your friends, you got to take feedbacks from them, or say your audience. You got to take feedbacks from them, that where are the things you are lagging, where are the things that you are excelling. You now have a list of these things, that okay, I got to work upon these things and I'm good at these things. The things that you got to work upon is the things that is demotivating you. Say you have a negative trait that you just can't speak in public. Now this is a negative trait and you got to work upon these things. These are the things that is demotivating your self-belief, your self-confidence upon yourself. You got to work upon these things. You got to have a chart of what all things I have to eradicate from me. Somewhere or other, may you have some anger issues. People say that you are hot-blooded, you are extremely angry person, you get angry and annoying very easily. You got to work upon all these skill sets, and once you are up with them, you will be receiving positive feedbacks that will provide you a way to be happy, and your self-belief will definitely go up. List all positive inside you. Let me tell you an example. So I went to a session. In the end of that session, we had an activity where we were given a pen and a paper. We have 5 to 10 minutes to move around that room and to meet each and every person. We somewhere or other know the person, so we went to that person and we have to write some feedbacks about himself, like the positive feedbacks. हम लोग को एक दूसरे के पास जाना था और उसके पेपर पे पॉजिटिव फीडबैक्स लिखने थे. तो एट द एंड ऑफ दैट activity, I had a list of positivities that I have inside me. these were the things that even I didn't knew. So the trick into this was, मतलब इसमें जो ट्रिक थी वो थी कि मतलब आप जब आप उस दूसरे की पॉजिटिव्स लेकर आए हो तो उसमें आपको अपना नाम नहीं डालना है कि तुमने जैसे उसको ये बताया कि ये पॉजिटिव्स है. So you got a random people telling you the positivities, that unknown people that told you about your positivities. So that was a real fun activity. So like-minded, likewise, you got to have a positive list among yourself, that okay, I have all these things in positive. Whenever I feel depressed, I feel weakened, I read that list where I have like all these positives among me, and I was like, okay, I'm still a good person. I'm still positive person. I have a long journey ahead. Let's move. Learn to say yes to all the opportunities that come onto your way. Now, majority of the people do these things wrong. When opportunity comes to you, you are just willingly rejecting him or rejecting the opportunity, and once it is gone you realize that you have done a big blunder. So what happens is that each one of us gets an opportunity, but once we start taking that opportunity for granted, that is, we just don't pay any attention to these opportunities never return to us. And once we grab that opportunity and try working upon them, even if we fail onto that, on the worst case scenario, you got to get a self belief that okay, I grabbed the opportunity, somewhere that I lacked or I had that something, मतलब कुछ गलतियाँ थी मेरे अंदर जिसकी वजह से मैं उसको नहीं आगे कंटेन कर पाया, but I had that, you get that confidence that okay, I was able to take an opportunity, and if an opportunity comes next, I'll grab it and get that success definitely. This is a key factor of increasing your self-belief. Communication skills. You got to enhance your communication skills. Why? Because somewhere or other, speaking to a random stranger is not everyone's cup of tea. You're not confident to speak among a mass or a group of people. You're not confident to speak to a group of people or some random people you just don't know, because somewhere that you lack that communication skills, and that is the sole reason we don't have that confidence onto ourselves that okay, we can do something higher. Say you are into communication skills, you have good communication skills. Now just think of it. If you have good communication skills, you go to a group of people, you go among a mass of people and start conversing with them easily. You have good communication skills. You can address a large audience as well. Just think of it, what kind of confidence you'll get onto yourself, that okay, I am capable of doing these things as well. If I'm able to address a large amount of audience out there, what is the thing that I just can't do? Your self-belief will boost up. Your self-motivation, your self-belief will boost up like anything. Communication skills are a must. So do work upon. You got to have a list of quotes. That you keep to yourself and keep listening and keep reciting all these things and again, so that it gets into your subconscious. एक लिस्ट बना लो पूरी कोट्स की, कि ऐसी बार बार बोलते रहो उसको कि वो एकदम सबकॉन्शियस में घुस जाए तुम्हारे. क्योंकि somewhere other, quotes are something that are extremely motivational, because in short lines it tells you the whole paragraph or the whole summary of even great books. In the end, I like to conclude by saying that if you give up upon your dreams, then what's left? Think about it. If you have actually given up on your dreams, then what's left? Quotes like these gets into your subconscious and act accordingly.